Hi, I'm Samantha Hall and I've been at Drake Trailers for 4.5 years now. I've just finished my apprenticeship for a Boilermaker. So I was first interested in trying to get an apprenticeship, and I found on Facebook an open day that Drake was having, and I actually attended that and to see what Drake was all about. And then attended the open day and then applied for them, and then yeah, they were like, you can have an apprenticeship. That's where it all started, here at Drake. So before I started at Drake, I was a stay-at-home mum looking after my daughter, who's now 9 years old, and I was waiting for her to grow up a little bit before she started at school, before getting back full-time in the workplace. So when I first started at Drake, I was doing my apprenticeship and I started in OFE, then I went to repairs, then maintenance. I've done numerous roles. It's pretty awesome. So an opportunity I've been given here at the Drake Group is to be a mentor for the apprentices that come in to work here. So I'm really excited about that, to see what it brings and to able to help the young apprentices achieve their trade in what they're trying to succeed here at the Drake Group. So it's exciting. I think my biggest moments here was like going off site and doing my women who weld, or the women like manufacturing. That was my sort of thing. Like, that's what I love the most about here, giving that opportunity to be able to teach other girls how to weld, or just be out there in the workforce rather than just being at home treated like a nobody. We're actually here to sort of help people and achieve things. My advice to anybody who's wanting to do a trade, just do it, sign up, it's fun, you all learn something new every single day. So it's a challenge, but do it, you can do it.